All right, we are cooking up some fun Easter recipes here today with the Dessert Diva.
That's right. We have Danette Randall now joining us. So you're making some really easy Easter egg blondies.
Yes. Okay. So they're blondies, not brownies. Blondies. And they're very simple, and then I'm going to show you kind of how to jazz it up a little bit, kind of put a fun few things. So first of all, 8x8 pan, 350 degrees, very simple. 1 cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, salt. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
This little bit of melted butter. You know, a blondie is basically, obviously, like a brownie without the cocoa powder, and really, it's kind of like, you know, like cookie dough before you put the chocolate chips in. That's kind of what a blondie is. So anyway, you just stir that up like that. You can see how easy it is. This is going to take you no time at all. Then you're going to add the flour. You're going to stir that up, obviously. Now, some things that I've added to this, you know how the mini Cadbury eggs, and you've got the Whopper flavor. You've just got the regular egg shapes like M&Ms that are almond or peanut or
So you crushed all those up?
What I crushed it, Gail. Crushing this Easter. So anyway, we're stirring this up, and that's what I did. I crushed up. Now I'm using the mini Cadbury eggs. They're actually dark chocolate.
Okay.
So I've got the Cadbury eggs. You just kind of put them in there. Now, one thing that I've added a little bit different, I've got smoked almonds. Because we have the sweetness with all the treats.
I'm hungry. I'm just snacking on all of our treats.
So the smoked almonds go really nice. So that's all we're gonna do. Stir that up, and that's it. Now, what I did was put coconut on the top, then I saved some coconut and made it green. You just put a little bit of green in there, kind of tint it. You stick it on top. See, some of these can be, it looks like dirt, maybe. You put the eggs in, but you put a little bit of the grass, then it looks like a little bit of grass.
It doesn't taste like dirt.
No,
it's so good.
And then we've got the Peeps, which, you know, it's just a peep, but if you dip it in a little bit of white chocolate, put some sprinkles on it, you can stick it on a straw.
That's like an easy party favor, too.
You can also stick it on top of the blondie. I've got the, see how this little guy? You can stick those in little cups.
Fantastic.
Also, this one has a little toothpick. So just take a little toothpick, stick it in the little peep, and then you stick it on top of the, and it's like a little bunny in your blondie.
I like it.
So there's a lot of fun little things you can do. And I mean, this one looks a little scary, so don't dip it in chocolate. And then I was like, what?
It's okay, it all goes down the same, right?
In the Easter bunny
I would just say my kids made that one.
Exactly. So anyway, these are just kind of fun treats, and you can put anything in here. You can do the M&Ms with nuts, without. You can do, like I said, the mini Cadbury eggs. This year they have shimmer eggs. Have you seen those?
I have not.
They shimmer and sparkle. So anyway, that's really
my favorite
cute.
You will shimmy when you shimmer.
You will shimmy when you
There
shimmer.
we go.
So
I love taking bites of the pieces inside. That's excellent.
You kind of bite into it, and it's so nice. And then you can also, this is a chocolate bunny that I just cut the head off, and it's a surprise. You take it off, and you have little.
It's like an adult's Easter egg hunt.
All right. It might traumatize the kids. So I don't know.
Thank you so much, Danette. We're going to send it over to you, Lee. We won't eat everything.
All right.